And today I'm going to show you how to dump your PlayStation 3 games to your computer using a Blu-ray disc drive, and I'm also going to show you how to install College Football Revamped on your computer, the mod for NCAA Football 14. First, you need the game itself first, and the compatible Blu-ray disc drive. So the drive that I have is a LG WH14NS40. So links here. So let's see. I have the right compatible drives and that. For this video. So first thing you do is the alcohol 20%. You need a PS3 ISO rebuilder. There'll be two different methods. I'm using the alcohol 20%. I almost forgot. So yes, so we need PS3 ISO rebuilder. There's gonna be method one, and also first you usually need a PS3 disc dumper. Download right here. This is gonna be a second method. The first method uses alcohol 20%. That's the old way. In this video I found first. Then you go. All you need to do is you need to download the RPCS3 emulator. Just search for that. Sorry about my voice. Also, just download Windows 64-bit. Make sure you have the right specs for this, and I do. It's recommended with 4 cores and threads. I do have, for instance, first gen. The motherboard is my Gigabyte BAP558UD4. Right, it works for this 4-inch. Maybe it says 8 creds or 12 cores, 6, whatever it can be. Let's select Windows. Now let's look Save As. Save As. Click Save. Go to Downloads. Also need to do is go yes rebuilder, and then you go to Dame the ISO patcher. I already have that down, so anyway, so let's put this on your desktop. This, you need to go to the new RD PS3 IRD database. This is the old method because they removed that. You should go there, go to this website. This is new, so also you need to use the download 3 KY tools. This is you can use this, so then 3 key tools to your desktop. So yeah, there you go. So let's exit this iTunes. I don't really have open right now, so I'm gonna This is college game day. It's Alabama's Ole Miss. I hope Alabama avoids the upset. They get their offensive line ready and fixed. Okay, first you need to open up by RPCS3. Yeah, so let's go to desktop, emulators. I don't have an emulator folder. I do have the emulators folder. Make sure you put the disk folder in there. Hey, this is not in. It's in the D folder. Make sure you close out all these. Create a new folder called disk. You need to have the disk folder. You can't have RPCS3 without a disk folder. Yes, so now what we're gonna do is let's open up first. First take out your game disk, put it over your disk drive, and then you hit close. Let me look back in the video, see where it says PS3 volume. You should get PS3 volume. So, so let's open up this program right here. Go to ISO making wizard. So hit next. Might take a while, so I'll be right back after the dumping is all finished. Also, this is method 1, the dumping the disk. Alright, now I'm back again. Sorry for the long because the disc was all scratched. So first thing you do is open up oh, I forgot to extract the ISO rebuilder. Sorry about that. You open the ISO rebuilder. First, you open the ISO they dumped. PS3 volume. Don't have Ultra ISO installed. Let's see if I have it. Anyway, I do. You also need to just put the so I'll leave it the tray in there for the next method, or I'll insert it back in. It's ring all the game directory files, so That's what that Florida State says tied a game against Clemson 17-17. I hope I think clubs will pull off an upset. See, so what happens? You don't have when I click that. See, it's closed, so go to the new one. Wait a minute. There's a website. Let's type in the NCAA Football 14. Here it is. So save it. Save it to your downloads folder. First, open the IRD file. Alright, I got my sample, don't worry. Let's sort of open this. See? 7 files are invalid. So yes, so let's exit this out. Let's open up the patcher. Open up test patcher. Select the ISO file you dumped. PS3 volume. Let's select your ID file. Click patch. It says done. So yeah. The next thing you're gonna do is to the 3 key. Let's go to ISO tools. And let's exit this dump. What we're going to do is identify the ISO file. ISO crypto. It's for Sound Clemson. So yeah, so it says game rebuild RDC. It's ripping the ISO, so it's decrypting. Yes, so I'll be right back that the ISO decryption is all finished. Alright, now I'm back again. Now the ISO decryption is all finished, so let's see. You should have an ISO code called DC, means decrypt. And now let's change. First, I have to change this to Ultra ISO as default. So let's close out of this and then go back to PS3 ISO. Go to PS3 ISO tool rebuilder. I'm gonna open up ISO. I'm gonna decrypt. Open decrypt. See, it's ripping right now. See? See, it's verifying it. So the coverage. So let's open up the IRD file. See, all 21 files are invalid, so let's rebuild ISO. Name it to the stock. ISO. Alright, but you better take them down. What a great coverage. You know, I'm okay with it right now. Whatever it is. How about Alabama beats Ole Miss? See it stomping. No, it's 20. It says build finish, so. And now, and here's the second method. We're going to open up. So let's go to my. Let's go to desktop. First, what you do is go downloads. PS3 disk dumper. Was extracted to your desktop. This on my first. It says rescan disk. Says see if it says BLUS. It says BLU. See, it just hit start. See, this is dumping right now. So yes, so I'll be right back after the dumping is all finished. See, all right, back here again, and now the disk is all finished dumping. So hit rescan disk. So you just don't get the original file dates. So yeah, so all you do is let's open up a PS3 ISO rebuilder. Open the jailbreak folder. Whoa, that was a great catch. Great job, Cade. You're a very good court. I don't like team by a real. And so I'm gonna be first. I gotta go to my PS3 disk dumper folder. So yeah. Thing for I also can just have them from ISO, so I don't really feel like burning them on the Blu-ray disc right now. So I think I see it. So oopsie, See, the rebuild is all the things. So let's open up the IRD file. See, everything is valid. So yeah, so build. Let's just rebuild ISO. Build ISO. See, it's rebuilding. Also, you need to go to College for Revamped, research for that. I'll put the links in the description for you guys to download. Search for College for Revamped. Use any browser you like. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. I'm using Chrome or Edge because Internet Explorer is not really supported much anymore. It's used in the past years, but it can be worth use it for some websites. There can be a way to hack it. It's still rebuilding. First, it's going to select PC. Like PC. Select digital copy or physical copy or digital copy. So I'm selecting the physical one. I'll use the old advanced scoreboard and the USB and scorebug. I prefer using the old one. I'll use PlayStation button controllers, which I also have a and also here's my PS3 wire controller here. You can also use the rock cannon. You can also use this for PS1 or PS2 emulators. You can also use it on the console. Yeah, so yeah. So select 6. Bill, sorry, I already said that. Spills is already finished. I'm just doing just in case. Hit download. Alright. And now let's go into the documents folder. Let's open up documents. Move the There's to move these into documents. There's select this ISO. See, it has the original file date. So let's first I can mount this. Show more options. Mount to drive J. Let's see if I have save copy. Copy. I can be very handy. Let's click download. Let's just save the cost for Revamped. So I save copy. Let's just we're gonna download that. I'm so happy. Let's go. Let's go to BDR8. And so let's go. Let's create a new folder. You can name it. So I'm gonna drag this destination to here. So hit copy. Whoops. must use the wrong drive. Let's open up save copy. One more. Go back to save copy. Process subfolders. So we're going to select the J drive. Hit copy. 2013. Clemson's still winning. So, downloads. It's downloading still good. Let's give it. So, yeah. So, I'll be right back after the download. And the meeting is all finished. Alright, now Megan, sorry. This is a long way because I might be leaving right now, so I might go into my grandmother's house right now. So I might continue when I get back home. Come back here. So yeah, so I'll be back until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So after this is done. Alright, now I'm back here again. Sorry for things. Sorry. Wait, because I'm very busy now. I came back a few hours ago because I know that Clemson lost to Florida State, but Clemson it was a close game but Florida State was a favorite anyway. Also, that Colorado has lost to Oregon. I think Oregon was a favorite as well. So let's get it. So now the Cosmo Revamped file is. Revamped files all finished downloading. So, and the update file. But first, you have to copy. You can convert. You can also. Calm down. Oh, let's go. Okay. Now, what I have to do is a copy. Sorry. About it. I'm sorry. Sorry. First, I'll do is copy that. But first, let's see. Let's go to. Let's verify it. It's verifying. It's verifying it. It's checking to see if the. Let's check once again if it's right. Sorry. And also, we can use. I'll be using the save with this file. I'm sorry. I feel strange. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. Let's use that. See? It still works the same. Still 21 valids. Yeah, right. So, oh, let's open up RPCS3. And weird. Oh, it's too dark mode too. Ow. Yeah. Let's hit apply. See, that's better. Oh no, I can't find the folder. I can't. Let's download the firmware file. Let's download PS3 CSW. Let's download there. Save. Oh no, I feel so to go away. Man. No. Let's download PAX. Let's go to. Oh, I gotta copy the game first. Oh, haven't copied the game to the folder yet. That's the problem. I have to rename the folder first. First, we had to copy and we had to rename the folder first. First, I gotta go to properties, rename it. First, I gotta hit. Now we're gonna go. Now That's make sure you change the folder name or else it will not work. And see, there's the game. So first we have to call Wizard. Go to desktop, Wizard desktop. First, to install the update, you need to use a PS3 update.pup and select install the firmware. Go to desktop. See, it's you make sure you can use custom. Yes, you can use custom firmware. So. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to do it. First, let's install the boot VSH. So yeah. Let's try using global configuration. Guys, you have to make sure you create the disk folder in the RPS, or else it will not work. You need to have the disk folder in your HD0 folder. Very important. Always. So let me eject the disk. Forgot to eject that. Yeah, this is from my basement. I might buy another one for right now, but I'm good with what I have for right now. So first, put the disk back in its case. The only way to do it, fix this scratch, I had to use to clean it. That helped fix the dumping issue. So. So I just have to configure my controller. See first, you have to make sure your controller is plugged in to your computer. Find an open USB port. And now, first thing I have to do is I have to select the joystick. So I have to configure controller, so I have to enter button. So let me put down the device down so it can be easier. That's my notifications. Here are the buttons, so there it is. So, this sort of means the buttons or the sticks are working. So, let's click save. So, make sure you configure your controller first before using this. So, I don't know why it's taking so long. So I'll be right back when the compiling PBU miles is done. Alright, now I'm back in. See, now it's all finished. Compilators are all finished. So you press X. See, it's rebuilding the database. I'm in a happy mood. Like I told you to you. Okay, I don't know. I don't know, and shut up. No, I don't. Hi, enough hellos. Okay, and come here. I'm getting. Alright, please be quiet. Sorry. See, I don't know why it's come. Oh, it's see, there it goes. See, sorry, I forgot to configure the X, but maybe it's not. Maybe the crawl. Compiling. This says Sony. Sony Interactive Entertainment. Eastern Time, US, Canada. me see. Let's see if there's an internet connection. Let's just skip. Let's skip the internet connection. No. Let's see if this can boot. Sorry, everyone. The frame limit isn't working. I'll worry about after I find the settings. Alright, now back again. Sorry, I've been very busy all yesterday because I had to clean up most of the bait. And because there were mice down there. That's why Dad had to do this. So, the X-Ross meteor bar is kind of like with Vulcan. So, but let's continue with the revamp. So, we're going to plug it in on the controller. There's go into RPCS3. Go back into it. Don't show this to me again, because we don't need that. So first thing you do is install the firmware, so the update file. But make sure you need to install the update file first. See, and this is the football player background. Then you should see this one. But once you install the mod, it'll have the background for PPU model for compiling things will be a different. Guys, you all, I know you all, there's going to be a new college football game coming out next year. It's very good, but the sad thing was 2024 is the Xbox 360 store is closing the digitally. Guys, if you want to get the Xbox 360 store to stay alive and Microsoft's story, you all need to start using your Xbox 360 right now to buy add-on content, especially on content games that are not supported for the Xbox One, Xbox Series X. So yeah. What? Yes. Alright. Sorry, that was my dad, so I apologize for that. Oh, that was my throat. Because I know what you're supposed to say. You're supposed to saying that they mean that people can't Xbox 360 games are still going to be purchased through the Xbox One, the Xbox Series X, and Xbox Series S. So I hope Xbox One. So if you want, but also movies and TV is being shut in Xbox as well. So I know people use like Amazon Prime Video and YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming services, the apps. So I still use the Xbox 360 today. And then PlayStation 3. Good one. Let's just
EA Sports. It's in the game.
see, it says EA Sports. This is my favorite background music of the game. It's like the Alabama. Alright, let's just exit the game. So, we need to get, first we need to copy the roster file. Oh, I need to download the roster file I have for RPCS. I need an NCAA football 14 roster. Operation Sports. You need to go to this website to download that. First thing, select the RPCS3 file. And save it here. Save it into the downloads folder. Drag it to the desktop. Since it's a duplicate folder now, so we're going to select. Now you can do a copy. You can refer to the instructions. Put the roster into the array or the pathway for the. I guess you got to go home 001. First, let's go to the desktop. AC00, go home. Save data. person has to use save copy arts. You already copy files with use the same date, so hit copy. You just see the roster file inside your folder, so exit exit that out. Then we can install the mod right now. It may take a while.
Metheds. You use my Old Spice body wash.
I'm not letting home.
To exit that file. It's going very good. CFV PC disk easy installer. So it's easier on the PS3 than the X. Because I wish Cosworth Revamped had the ISO mod the Xbox 360 disc of it. That's see, click boot. You see, then there's no, and see football. What back 14 the actual background for the name of the game cover on this. Since they changed that thing, they changed that thing to a different backwards look on for Revamped one. Compiling PV models and see, you can see that. So seems looking very good so far. It's taking a little while. Nice news. The news. Alabama's number is now ranked number 11 after their win against Ohio State. It doesn't mean that Ole Miss, which is very good. I hope they need to beat Mississippi State. Alabama is the number 15 favorite against them. I hope Alabama will not boy. So the only thing you should be aware of at Texas A&M, LSU, and it's Auburn. Because the only thing I'm scared about is Texas A&M, which is coming the 7th of October. Come on. See. So you see, this is the intro. Instead of saying EA Sports, it's in the game. And you see, this is College Football Revamped. So you might have the same background music. to team management and show you the roster. Your settings, file management. Alright, let's do a matchup. Battle of Highway 2. Founders in Mississippi State. There's no Michael Leash. This is the running back for Mississippi Ole Miss. Hard. Black background isn't good. So I might be right back. I have to fix that black background field thing. Alright, now I'm back again. So now I finally got the field working. See, I'll do select legacy thread option.
Real Coke taste, 0 calories. Enjoy everything. The pregame festivities are over, and we're just about set to get this game underway. He really got a hold of that kick. What a collision! The quarterback brings his troops out onto the field for the first drive of the game.
Let me exit out. Alright. Exit out. Alright, so with the default configuration, now let's see if the XROS media bar works. This is really good. So I'm gonna have to go to bed right now. So yes, I'll be right back after I fix the issue. A way to resolve it. Alright, now I'm back in. Let's see if the sound works again. It sounds a little better. So everything works very good, almost. So Game patches are good. Oh dear, my battery's about to die. Emule configure. Alright, now I'm back here again. Sorry, couldn't finish long. So he goes very busy. I also want to show you that I have Windows. I got the Windows update working with without the Service Pack 1. And let me see. First, you need to let's go to the control panel. Go to system. I have to activate Windows Online. Let's see if that works. So, the best it is. So I don't really feel like doing a activation right now. So yeah. So let's go to Windows Update first. Let me selecting these recommended updates. I'm going to select these. So I'm going to be installing this update. And this is not going to install Service Pack. So I have it on an SSD. So the properties. This is FM. This isn't. I see. This is FTM1T and 325H. It's an SSD. Yeah. So it is an SSD. And it's usually in there with my front panel bay. So I'm still gonna be covering today with my with the video how to install Colorful Revamped on my PS on your computer. It was RPCS3 emulator. Had done PS3 games for computer and stuff. So let's view the update history. Well, let's just start rule 2. So let's restart. Yep. So it's preparing to configure Windows C. It's taking a little longer, so yeah. Let me put the camera down. So, whatever. So I have a wireless extender it uses for wire connection. So this one is broken, so I have to use this one. Because this is not use 5 GHz networks, only 2 GHz. I'll find one. I have a floppy drive in there. See, I'm running my computer into BIOS mode. CSM mode legacy. That's why it's running since legacy mode, not CSM, not UEFI. Windows 7 does support UEFI option because they have GPT support, not Windows XP. I mean, Windows Vista was the very first Windows into support GPT partitions, drives, and the guide partition table at master boot record. The MBR boot is usually used for older versions of Windows. So let me put my password in. So don't ask me again because I don't really need that message. So yeah, so I'm going to install Security Essentials. I'm going to install these updates I should need. I need to install that. Installing some updates you need. Cry, whatever. So, me 95. Guys, you don't have to know that's stealing personal information. Oh dear. Can't sign in with it says optional updates. Exhaust Security Essentials. I use this bootable install USB. I use these Windows image updater, so I have to use there to make this bootable USB. So in order to so I can use the wire keyboard. So after the installation, the setup screen when Windows screen, it does not support the keyboards and stuff. Only the PS/PS2 keyboards and mice do. But after that, you have to install these drivers after they're set up. You always have to disable driver signature enforcement. Hit next. Accept. I do not want to join it this time. Let's just installing Microsoft Security Essentials. Finish. Searching Windows Live Essentials. Sorry, I think this is kind of outdated, so yeah. Certificate navigation, so I have to I know this is taking so long, so guess I might have to. Oh. Now let's see, we're going to install USB. Oh, yeah, Windows Vista. Sorry, Windows. Yeah, so Windows Vista. Windows Signature Digital Signature required, so I can't. This. Let's see if I can. Since so, let me go to. So. X360 USB Pro drivers. Need the jungle flasher. Put the camera down for a bit once again. And once. Let's go. Let's. So I'll need to put this connected Xbox 360 drive. Alright, first thing to do is I have to need to find my the Steam Executor thing, the thing that connects. So I'm gonna find a Team X360 USB. You'll need this. This is my CK3. You know what? You know what? Oh God. Handle. There's, oh dear, where? Oh, it's here somewhere, so yeah. Yeah. There it is. There. So. Speak. So. And so, let's plug this in. But before he just, you have to connect the SATA cable to there. See how I have a gate in there. My heart rate monitor is dying. Need to charge it soon. Now we're at the, or I have the drivers folder for this. I don't know if this is working or not. So, a jungle flasher. I don't think it's not reading any discs. Let's go. Let's just, it's this, I think that since it has an error, so don't worry, I'll fix this. Oh dear. Finish. Oh there. There it goes. Failed. Let me stop the video for right now. Alright, now I'm back again. Sorry, it's been 4 days later since my phone's just ran out of batteries, so I apologize for that. So let's continue. So might be the last part. So need to plug the controller in. You might have to send. See, some Pompeo Lyles, SPU catch. See, controller's still good. Yeah, so let's open up. Yes, let's update it. Enter. And now we're gonna config. Let's start the game. Let's hit play. I had to use some debug, maybe it was a debug. I had to set it to. I'll go set. See. See, this game's still good. Let's test the matchup. Guys, tomorrow's going to be Alabama versus Mississippi, the game. Tomorrow, I think Alabama might be right now, Milrow.
The fans and alumni look forward to this game all year long. The winner of this SEC rivalry will have some pretty big bragging rights right here in the South. And now let's get down to the coin toss. Brought to you by Coke Zero. Real Coca-Cola taste and 0 calories. Enjoy everything. Ramos has the ball teed up, and we're just about ready to get this one started.
Oh.
So here comes the offense taking the field for the first time today.
Game's going very good, so yeah. Seems that's bad. Smith, yeah. So anyways, so that's how you install You can install College Bulb Revamped on your computer. Also, how to dump your PS4, PS3 game discs for RPCS3 emulator. Also, making backup games. And it finally took me like almost a week for me to do this. So, everything went very well. So, I'll put all the things in the description for you to download them. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful for you. If you guys have any, if you guys have any problems, please leave it down below in the comments section. So yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. And also, this can also work with Mac OS or as well Linux. Yeah, I recommend using the Windows. Yeah, so make sure you have the proper Blu-ray drive first. Do that. So yes. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So thank you for watching. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.